Hello YouTube, I've got another product review for you. Today's product is the iwiss or iCrimp weather pack crimping tool and depinning tool. I have an opportunity here to use it. I've got a bunch of weather pack connectors here. The project that I'm working on today is my rental trailer. The renters keep messing up the 4-pin plug, so I'm going to adapt it to a 4-pin style weather pack connector here. So it's a perfect opportunity to use this crimper tool. Sent to me by iCrimp for evaluation purposes. Give that a shot and see how it works out. So this is a pretty basic piece of kit here. It's just your normal weather pack style connector crimper. Here's the model number for you. IWS 1424BN. And it handles wire from 24 gauge all the way up to 14 gauge. So pretty much the typical wire gauges that you would use for these GM weather pack type connectors. It also comes with a depinning tool, which I'll also just do a quick review on as well, just to see how well that works for depinning one of these connectors. So what you want to do to prep is you want to strip about 1/4 inch of the insulation away from the wire here so that you have enough there to get crimped. And then before you even strip the wire, make sure you put this rubber plug on the wire, as it's easier to slide onto the wire before you've stripped it. So once it's in place here, you'll slide it up something like this so that we can then crimp the wire to the terminal here. So now that we've got everything stripped, we'll go ahead and move this grommet up until it's about flush with where the insulation's been cut off. We'll do the same with these. So this is what provides the weather pack or seal against the elements. So now we will prep the pin into the tool here, and it just simply slides in until it gets to basically gets to a stop. And then from here, hopefully the camera stays focused, these outer ears here are what crimp against the rubber piece, and then from here we should just be able to run the crimp tool down, and in one fell swoop, as you can see here, it crimps the wire to the terminal and crimps the rubber grommet to the terminal as well. So I'll go ahead and repeat this on the other wires here. See if I can juggle everything on camera here. It's a little bit difficult working behind the camera. As you can see, it did a good, nice crimp there. Let's see if I can. So I do like the ease of use so far. So I think I found it easiest to put the terminal into the tool where it seats, and then stick the grommet and wire into the terminal. Once in there, just run the crimper and pull out, And as you can see, these are all quickly terminated and ready to insert into the connector here. So far this is so much nicer than what I used to do when I was younger in high school, which was just use a normal pair of pliers to try to crimp all these. This does it so much faster. So next step is to take the connector housing. This piece snaps open, and from here you insert the wires into the connector and they should just click in. And then from here, it simply snaps into place. And now we have a terminated pigtail for my rental trailer. Now I already have the other end terminated with this, this mating end here. So the trailer's already got this. So whenever a renter messes up the connection at the vehicle, it's just a matter of replacing it real quickly here. So now we can give the depinning tool a shot here, now that we've got a connector that's fully terminated. Just basically reverse here, so we'll have to unsnap this to get that to come off. And as you can see here, just I don't think I showed it before, everything's nice and secure here. Now this tool is not a spring-loaded style, but it doesn't need to be for this application. You just simply slide it over the terminal here and push. I don't know if you saw that. And then boom, it comes right out. We'll repeat that step again just to show how easy it was. Just like so. So if you messed up putting the wires into the connector here, you can easily remove them, or if you need to replace or repair anything, you can use that tool to take these connectors apart. So once you get these removed, you can just as easily place it back into the connector. Just make sure that the ears here didn't get too squished down by the tool. Sometimes it happens, sometimes you just got to take a small pick and pry those out just a little bit. Those are what lock in place into the plastic housing here. And then, just like before, we'll close up the connector, and there we go. Task complete. So final thoughts on the iwiss, iCrimp, IWS 1424BN crimp tool set. These are definitely worthwhile tools to have in your toolbox. A very cost-effective solution for dealing with these GM style weather pack connectors. I'd like to extend a thank you to iCrimp for providing this tool here for evaluation purposes so that they can get my honest opinion on the tool. And I'd like to thank you for watching my video. If you like the tool that you've seen here or the other iCrimp tool that I reviewed earlier on my channel, check out my affiliate link in the video description and be sure to use my discount code so that you can get a discount on your next iCrimp purchase. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.